Okay, guys, I'm gonna eat these pancakes. I just got off of work from Penn Hills. Tired, exhausted, and hungry. Cause all I had was a Hershey bar and something else. I forgot what it was, but oh yeah, and bag of potato chips. And yeah, a nice work day. Michelle, we had like a fairly easy work day today. Especially considering we were having our weekly sale. So I think we did good. Tomorrow, we're probably gonna go on a little bit of a family outing for our families. For a little bit of family bonding. The next week, I'll show her a beautiful surprise at the zoo that I think will shock her very surprisingly in a very good way. For all my friends who know me, like JR for example, y'all be shocked by that surprise too. Because you gotta know how I am when it comes to nature and animals in the past. But yeah, next Sunday, blow Michelle's mind. And you guys can see it, so I can remember this. The pancakes are so good. Let me see you around.